Hi, welcome to Gitex 2023, the GSM Exchange Distribution Pavilion. Happy to see you here again. Please tell us a bit about yourself and your company. What do you do? What are your products? Which markets you operate? Which size is your company?
My name is Ray. I'm the head management of the international trade for this company. The company name is Aplong, and we're doing the supply of international companies all over the world for mobile phone parts. We've been in this industry for 14 years. I've been for this industry 8 years. However, in this company I've been working 2 years. Basically we are selling phone parts. However, we are focused on top 5 components, which are the screens, the displays, the batteries, the flex cables, and also the back covers and the cameras. The main market is the international market. However, we are supplying all the companies which are doing refurbished phones and also doing the repairing services, and these are mainly the franchises. Our company offer lifelong warranty to all our customers, so they don't have to stress about their products. The products will always be warranted by us, and we also have quality check procedure of 36 steps, which makes our product very consistent and very safe to use.
And how about next year? Do you have some planned activities? Something different you're going to introduce in your company? New services, new products?
We are trying to get on the new markets like the USA, like Russia, and we also want to do their expansion. At this moment we are very active in Dubai and the Netherlands, which makes us a very international company. Our main office is in Shenzhen, China.
You have been a premium member of GSM Exchange platform for a while now. Can you tell us about this? How long have you been with the platform and how did it benefit your business?
The platform is very good to the network, so we network with many new customers and new companies. So it's definitely a very interesting platform for us.
You have a very nice booth this year at GSM Exchange Distribution Pavilion. Can you please tell us how the show has been for you so far?
For me, it's the first time that I'm here, but for my colleagues, I'm hearing that it's a very good exhibition. There are a lot of new customers, and it's always nice to see old customers too, and to have a great network and to know what's happening on the market.